So guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to another catch up. I think section 4 of the catch up. So how have you guys been? You know, things are going great here. By the time you'll be watching this particular catch up, I don't know, maybe we should be in New Year or whatsoever. I don't know when exactly I'm going to be putting this up, but whichever way it goes, probably you guys will enjoy it. So right now I'm at the workshop. I am working on some projects, actually very busy. Since I'm the only one. Sorry about that. It's 12 now and I haven't had my breakfast yet. Don't worry. So I have been doing some work at the workshop. Since I'm the only one here, it's not easy making videos, seriously. Sometimes in your mind or in your head you have things you want to say, but before you even say it, to just go off. So let me just turn the camera and show you what I mean, so you guys will understand what I'm going through here, because I'm a little bit stressed out and I have to find something to just take now to regain my energy. And I want to go out for like 3 hours or 2 hours. I have to go and get some stuff to make this some thread, ordinary thread, because as you can see, there's a white tote bag there, right? This white tote bag here, this white tote bag, I'm making few of it, which is on there, and it's a cotton bag which they have to dye, so I have to go get a cotton thread now, a small cotton thread, because I don't think I have a small cotton thread here and for this color, so I have to go get that. So when they dye it will come out. The one I make already, this particular one, I use the normal thread we use here, which is not cotton. If they dye it, it will show the stitch of the thread round, because I don't know the exact color they dye it. Probably it's not going to be white, a mixture of different colors, anything purple, you know, the way people dye their stuff. So enough seeing my face, let me turn the camera and I'll show you a little bit of the work. And probably I will show you the time lapse and how the work is going. For those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think or what we should do next on this channel. If you enjoy the catch up, let us know. And most of this work you see me doing, if you want the tutorial, let me know in the comment section down below. And share this video with people you know it might be of help to them, and I will see you at the continuation. So let me turn the camera and show you more of the things I'm talking about. I think I should even take a peek like this. Yeah, this is a little bit nice. Okay. So enough, guys. So this is the one I was talking about, and I think here we finished cutting is about 26. This is what I was talking about. You see this thread here, this particular thread here, if I should use this, when they dye this bag, is going to show, and even on the card the thread will not be dyed. So that is why I'm going out, and these are all the handle. The previous one I was making is this one. I used a taping rope for the inside, then put this on top to give it like a reinforcement. And as you can see, it's different variety of tote bag with different color, not just this. And I have a lot here again that we've not even touched about, we've not even dared to touch or make them. And I have few here again that I have finished. I've been very busy, that's why I didn't even start the catch up early. So right now I just finished cutting this lining. This one too, I will be piecing them. Once I pieces them, then I have to go out. But it's getting late now. This is past 12 already, as you guys can see. But I want to go out now before the sun will be very strong. So I don't know if I can just keep this and keep this once I come back, or I'm checking, because I'm going to go out with my bike. As you can see, my lovely bike there. I have my bike here. the economic. You have to use your bike. So I think, okay, no, let me cut this now. Let me cut all of this so I know, because in the sun now, if I go back, if I go out, I'll be take my breakfast. I might lose my energy. If I come back, I'll just need to sleep a little bit and rest before I continue. So let me finish this first, then we proceed. And by the way, this catch up, I don't know. Maybe I should be able to, this is like abandoned projects now. It's not abandoned, it's not fully abandoned, but it's just projects I will be working on. Even this one that is halfway done, is something I should be working on. This one are still here. I haven't sent them yet. The people still, the clients still order for more stuff that I will be working on. Like all this bag now. This one is for the client, and even this one is for the client. So till further notice, once I finish, probably in this week catch up, you guys will get to see me sending this, packaging this, and sending it to the client. Actually, client is in Texas, US. So probably once it gets to him, I will ask him to just maybe do a live video, or maybe do a video and send it to us of him receiving the item. So whichever way it goes, we shall continue, guys. Enough talking. I'll see you guys later. So that is a continuation of the catch up. After about a week, we are done with those bags, as you can see. This white one here, and all this one, we are done with it. We have some it's not complete. I need to make this one 3. That's why I have this one here, and I need to make 3 to complete, because I am giving extra to the person. So I was supposed to do time lapse as everything is going, but I later do it. If you remember, if you watch the time lapse, we are about to just finish watching. You will see that the last time I was working, I was trying to cut the lining. I didn't even get to make the white one, the white tote bag, and I'm already done with it now. Everything. So let me turn the camera and show you more. So that is it. But here I have, I think, about 9 or 8. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm adding extra 3. So this is the first one I make from the white tote bag. Actually, this is not going to be white finally. Yeah, it's going to be dyed to, I think, hare. So that's why we just use white cotton to make everything white. And as you can see, the first one, I used this thread I used to make. I use the thread, which is focus. I use this particular thread. So this is not a full cotton thread, so I now decide to get this one I was talking about the other day. I got the white one, the same thing as this, the black one, but I didn't later. I end up not using the black one. I use white for everything since it's going to be dyed. So even the inside, when they dye it, you guys, you will see that everything will be dyed. But the lining will not be dyed. The lining is not something you can dye. It's not a cotton. So when they dye this, any color that is showing here, to show inside of the line, so it will be like a design. That's why I decided not to use the black again. So that's just it. And as you can see, this is everything here, or the white one. So So this is one I'm about to make now. So probably I will try to just do a time lapse of this one I'll be making now after I'm done with that. So we'll proceed with the rest of the activities. Okay, if I'm done with that, it will remain for me to finish this tiny one. They have a strap. I'll be putting a key holder on the top, so I'll try to do this on the camera as well, maybe on the time lapse. So whichever way it go, if it's almost at the end of the month, we'll just end the video there. But if there's still time for us, we'll just continue and make the rest of the catch up. So guys, that's just it so far. Hope you guys are learning something from all of this, and I will see you at the continuation of the So guys, good morning. Welcome to the continuation of the catch up. So today is delivery day. I'm trying to fit everything you can see here, both this one here to this particular carton, and see how it goes. And not even that, not only that, even this 6 bag up here, I have to fit them to that carton. But finger crossed, I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, but I'll just try my best to do that. So I am going to be filming the time lapse now so you guys can see. So probably we'll continue from there. So guys, here is it. I just finished packaging everything. So this is just the one that is left, I think, and this is 6. But I still have few I have to make with this one, but a different style of the tote bag. So we are having a trade fair that will be coming on very soon. Probably we'll take this there for sale. So this one, and this one is going all the way to US, Texas. But actually I'm not the one sending it through the cargo. I'm giving it to his brother. So his brother is flying, I think, this week or next week. So he will be taking this to the clients, those tote bag, those tiny bag, and the other bag you saw. So best of luck to you guys. See you guys in the nearest future on the posts or maybe the picture. So this is just the few we have left, but right now, by next week we shall continue with this one, or probably we'll finish up with that one and pick up and start the rest of it. So in no time we have more. because we have some order to fulfill as well. So guys, enough talking. I'll see you at the continuation. See you guys later. Oh, from the time lapse, as you guys were watching, you will see that I fixed the drink. I fixed it last night. I didn't get time to do it daily because I have a lot of work to do from other business. So I fixed it last night. I didn't get to talk about it this morning, but I know you guys have seen it. So that's just it. Probably I think I will be ending this particular week catch up here because there's no much thing to show you guys. I don't know. The rest of the work I will just need to rest and do that gradually, but probably if there's anything that come up, I'll just share with you guys later on. But probably this might be the end for this catch up. So if that is the case, I really appreciate you guys for being here, for supporting. For those of you who have subscribed to the channel, really appreciate you. Those of you who have been here since day one and also come back to watch our video, really appreciate you. And for those of you who are just coming on the board, you are all welcome. And for those who always watch our video and did not subscribe, I have not subscribed to the channel, use this time to subscribe because we have a lot of good content coming your way in the nearest future. So guys, don't forget to give this video a giant thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave in the comment section down below what you think, and share this with people you know it might be of help to them. And I will see you in next month's catch up. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.